Hello students. Today we are looking our last subtopic alphabet letters from our first chapter of intelligent test, that is compression. So we are looking our last subtopic from our first lesson, that is alphabet letter. We know what are the alphabets in English, that is from A to Z. But for the scholarship exam only the question are based on the letters from A to Y. They make a group of 5 letter. In each group there are 5 letters. So we start from our, this is from the left side, A, B, C, D, and they are given in a blue color. There are the serial number. This is the first letter, second letter is B. This is the serial number of the alphabet series from A to Y from the left side. And if you want to count the letter from the right side, so from the right side, by using the red color, I am showing you a series of the letter, that is Y is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, likewise up to 25. So this is our alphabet sequence, and these are the group made up of 5 letters, is very useful for the scholarship exam. So while solving the question, we have to remember the 7 things which is very important while solving the question. What we have to remember first important thing is remember the serial number of the letters from the left end of the alphabet sequence. Means we have to remember this serial number from the left hand side. When we are reading, start from left, the first letter is A. So we have to remember this serial number from the left side, 1, 2, 3, which is showing in blue color. Means what is the fifth letter in alphabet? That is E. Fifth serial number for letter E. What is the 10th letter in the alphabet? That is serial number 10. What is the letter J? What is the 23rd element letter in the alphabet? Look at where is the 23 number? Yes, what is the element? W. So we have to remember the serial number from the left hand side. Next important thing, if the number of place of a letter is given from one end, then its place from the other end can be calculated by subtracting that number from 26. What does it mean? If a number of place means the serial number of any letter is given in the question from one end, either from left end or either from right side, and they said you to count the letter or number of place from the other side, then we have to count the position of the number by subtracting the position of that letter from the 26, because total number in alphabet series, that is 26. For example, E is the fifth letter from the left end. Then find its position from the right end. Look at this question. What they said, they are giving you a position of letter from left end, is from one side, and they ask you to count the position of the same letter E from the opposite end. Opposite of left is right end. So what we have to do, look at the E which is at fifth place from the left end. So according to this rule, we have to subtract this place value, this serial number of E from the 26. So we get the position of E from right end, 26 minus 5. Answer is 25. Let's check it is correct or not. From right end, serial number 21. Yes, it is correct. At what is the position of E from the right? It is 21st. So that we have to count the position of number by using this rule. Next, if in the question if you want to find out the middle letter of any two letters in the sequence, then this letter is calculated as, if they ask to find out a middle letter and they giving you a two letter, for example, they ask you to find out middle letter between M and P. If they ask you to find out the middle letter from M and R, then how to calculate this letter, how to identify the middle letter from this two letter? So add the serial number of the given two letters. Means you have to add the serial number of given letters. They ask you find out the middle letter from any two letters, so we have to add the serial number of these two letters and divide the addition by 2. So we get the serial number of the middle letter. When we add these two letter serial number, when we add the serial number of these two letters and divide that addition by 2, then we get the serial number of the middle letter. So let's check how to find out. If they ask you to find out the middle letter between the one and A and G, if they want to find out the middle letter between A and G, so look at what is the serial number of 1, that is A is 1, and look at A is 1, and what is the serial number of G is 7. Yes, we get the serial number. Then what we have to do, we have to add these two number. What is 1 plus 7? It is 8, and we have to divide this addition by 2. So what is the answer? 2 1s are 1 and 2 4s are 8. So we get answer is 4. And check where is the number 4 in serial number. Number is 4 here. And what is the letter for 4 is D. So what is the letter between A and G? Middle letter between A and G is D. Let's check. Yes, A and G. To find out middle letter, we left this F, B, again E, C, and we get D is the middle letter. So by using this calculation, we can find out middle letter of any two letter. Number 4, in the sequence question, there is a term from the letter. If in the question you find out the term from the letter, means it indicate that you should count that letter. If the term is there from the letter, means we have to count that letter also. Look at the example. The third letter from the C. The third letter from the C. Yes, as we see in the rule, from the letter, yes, from the letter C. Yes, so means what we have to do, we have to count the C letter also. So when we count, what is our first letter? C, because we have to count the letter C. Because they are from the letter, they ask you, so we have to count the letter C. After that, second letter is D and third letter is E. So what is the third letter from the C? Is E. Look at the fifth rule. The term to the left or right of a letter. If in the question there is a term to the left or right of a letter, which indicate that you should not count that letter. So we have to not required to count that letter. So we are taking the same example. The third letter to the right of C. To the right of C, to the left or to the right. The third letter to the right of C. So to the right of C means we have to not count the letter C. So what we don't count letter C. Then what is our first letter after C is D. Then second letter is E. And third letter is F. So don't count the letter C. After that, what is our first letter is D, then second is E, and third is F. So what is our answer? The third letter to the right of C is F. Look at the sixth rule. What is the next term they given you? The term between the two letter. If in the question you found between the two letter term, then it indicates that the two letters should not be counted. Means you should not, or you don't need to count that two letters. Look at the example. The number of letters between A and G. We have to count the number of letters between A and G. Yes, we are writing A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to G. And by in this question, between the two letters, what are the between A and G? So we need not to count A and G. Don't count A and G. And so when we not counting the A and G, what remaining? B, C, D, E, F. Total letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 letters between A and G. When there is a term between the two letters, don't count that given two letter. And count only the remaining letter between these two. It is, look here, A between A and G. We are not counting A and G. What are the remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 letters are there. Next, the term from a letter to other letter. If in the question they ask you a question from a letter to the other letter, which indicate that two letters should be counted. When they ask from a letter to other letter, then you should have to count that letter. Only remember that if there is a from a letter, then you should have to count, or to the left or between the letter, you should not count that letter. Look at the example. The number of letters from C to G. What is given? The number of letters from C to G. Yes, we are writing A, B, C, D, E, F, G up to G. They ask to count the number of letters from A to C. So we have to start counting from C. It is 1. D is second. E is third. F is fourth. And G is fifth. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 letters from C to G. So we are counting both the letters C and G. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. These are the 7 important terms, or these are the 7 important instructions which are very helpful while solving a question based on the alphabet series. In the next video, we are looking how to solve this question by using this rule. Thank you.